All right, so today is Wednesday, March 8th, and today I'm going to explain to you how I was up $400 today, lost it all back to zero, and then ended up at $187 for the day today, trading on my evaluation account. So we'll jump right into that. This is my trade performance for NinjaTrader, and the first thing I want to bring attention to is total net profit here. I finished the day at $187.50. Keep in mind this is an evaluation account, so I am currently I am just under my 50K evaluation account. My first day trading on this account, I ended up losing $350. So this $187, it's kind of moving me back towards 50K, and then I can start going towards that 3K profit. Otherwise, $187 profit today, but what I really wanted to draw attention to was the gross profit and gross loss, just right under this. So these two numbers are sobering. If you look at the gross profit, my profit trades today were $712, 437 of which came in the first, I want to say first 4 or 5 trades that I had. I was 4 for 4, and I was up $437. In hindsight, I should have just left. I should have been done, called it a day, and moved on to the day. But now, looking back, I was so upset with myself. Today was a roller coaster of losing money and gaining money. My gross loss for today was $525, and I just gave so much back that I shouldn't have. And again, this is the point. This is why we do this, to try to figure out like what's happening, how we can be better. And I should have walked away when I was up. I should have taken my win and walked away. Also, today was the first day that I was trading ES instead of MES. So this is the 5-minute chart for the ES today, and what you're looking at right now are all of my trades for the day. If you're able to see this, hopefully I zoomed in close enough. If you're able to see the close, if it closes pink, I was long. So if entry is blue, I was long, and if entry was pink, like here, I was short. So hopefully you can see that moving forward. Otherwise, I'm going to try to break down what we're looking at here because it can be a little bit overwhelming. It obviously was for me. So my first trade of the day, which was my best trade of the day, came roughly at around 11:45. We had been doing a whole lot of nothing for a while. This we did end up having a kind of an increase in volume here. I felt pretty good about this, and I popped in right as we were about to approach a new high of day. A big trend for today was we had multiple attempts at the 4,000 level, specifically the 4,002, the 4,003 level. That was acting as very, very hard resistance for today, and ended up rejecting every single time it tested. And so there was a lot of volume. I knew off of this wick right here, I knew we were going to have some buying pressure and momentum moving up into that. I wasn't expecting to hold. That's why I ended up getting a pretty decent exit right here. I wasn't expecting to hold past it. I didn't think we were going to break through after this first attempt. And ended up getting a pretty decent exit on that. And that particular trade, I exited for like about $350, or I think $330. So that was, this 5-minute candle alone was $350 on one ES contract. That could have been the end of my day right there. I would have been content with $350, walked away and been done. But me, I'm greedy, and I got to learn my lesson. So a couple of these other trades here, these were just kind of smaller scalps. A couple of these, I shorted this. If you notice the pink arrow and the blue arrow are really close here, that means I actually, let's see here. I got 3 ticks on this one. So what, like $35 off of this. This entry right here, this entry long off of that kind of a little pullback here. Again, another quick scalp. I got another couple, how many points did I get? 39.86. So I got 4 ticks. So what is that? $50. I got $50 off of that trade. I think by this point I was about $400, maybe $430. And I think I got an additional 3 ticks on this short right here. So really, I had a decent trade here. This is the main trade for today. A couple of decent scalps. And basically from this point forward, everything went to hell. And I really wish I could take everything back and kind of redo the whole day. I would have probably just been done after that first trade and walked away. Otherwise, what happened here, I think mentally is, more important than the execution-wise. I don't know. I think my first trade, I ended up losing, let's see. Oh, yeah, I ended up losing probably 50, 60, $80 here. Let's see, I went long again, gained just a little bit. I ended up stopping out. Let's see. So here's 1 stop, here's 2 stops, 3 stops. And I at least have 10 tick stops. So just the amount of money that I was giving back through this area right here, and it's kind of embarrassing. But I'm doing this anyways to be transparent. I gave back $400, and at one point I was only $12.50 in the green, and then fortunately what happened at the very end of the day was this massive run up during power hour. What I ended up doing here, obviously I could have just, off of this rejection, this attempt at low of day, I could have just held a contract all the way up, sure. But I am scalping right now. I do not have any sort of confidence. I was down, $350, $400, and I just needed to make some money back. And I guess that's another mentality where that's kind of, shoot me in the foot, is that mentality of like, I've got to make my money back. So in hindsight, even this was kind of risky, but I decided to kind of scalp my way up this. And this is where my P&L started to recover a little bit. So I just took real quick, 15-second scalps, 30-second scalps, and ended up recovering about $185 here. Or $160, because I think I was at $12.50 going into this, and then I got about $150, $160 scalping up here. So there is money to be had in these areas. I could have managed my trades better here, but I just, mentally just not the day. It would have been great mentally if I had just walked away. Could have been done, but I undid everything that I did prior to that, and it just, man, yes, I should be happy that it's a green day. I'm up $187, but mentally and my execution for today, that's why I'm doing this. Good news is that Apex has extended their plan. They have extended it another 2 weeks. So if you need to get a funded trader account and you want $50,000 at your disposal after the evaluation, and you want it for $36, I will have a link in the description. You can get it. It's right here. The link is in my description. You have 2 weeks to get it. It is $36 a month for 50K access to funds. This is what I'm trading with right here, and I'm hopefully going to pass on my first time. This is my first ever funded account that I'm doing the evaluation for right now, so we will see. Hopefully we can stay here. Hopefully we can make this happen, and I can be a funded trader. That would be pretty sweet. Otherwise, use it as a learning opportunity when I inevitably fail this evaluation, because I am in the red right now. I have not lost any money yet, but I am in the red. So again, link in the description if you need that link. Otherwise, that is my day today, up $187 after gaining 400, losing 400, and then gaining 180 something back. So otherwise, that's all I have for today. See you tomorrow. Peace.